In a shocking incident that has sparked controversy and raised questions about security, dozens of Tesla Cybertrucks were vandalized with graffiti reading F***K Elon. The incident, reported in various locations where the highly anticipated electric pickup trucks were spotted, has drawn widespread attention and condemnation. The Tesla Cybertruck, known for its futuristic design and robust construction, has been a subject of fascination and debate since its unveiling. With its angular, stainless steel exoskeleton and unconventional appearance, the Cybertruck represents Tesla's bold vision for the future of electric vehicles. The vandalism incident underscores growing tensions and sentiments within certain segments of society towards Tesla and its CEO, Elon Musk. While Tesla's innovative approach and Musk's charismatic leadership have garnered a large fanbase and investor confidence, they have also faced criticism and scrutiny on various fronts. Authorities are investigating the vandalism, which has left many owners and enthusiasts of the Cybertruck community dismayed. The act of defacing these vehicles, often regarded as symbols of Tesla's innovation and sustainability efforts, has sparked discussions about the boundaries of protest and the impact of such actions on individuals and communities. Tesla, known for its strong online presence and loyal customer base, has not issued an official statement regarding the incident. However, supporters of the brand have expressed solidarity with affected Cybertruck owners and condemned the vandalism as an act of senseless aggression. The Cybertruck vandalism incident highlights broader issues surrounding public perceptions of Tesla, its products, and Elon Musk's public persona. As Tesla continues to expand its market reach and innovate in the electric vehicle sector, it faces both admiration and scrutiny from various stakeholders, including consumers, competitors, and regulatory bodies. Beyond the immediate damage caused to the Cybertrucks, the incident raises concerns about security measures for high-profile vehicles and the potential vulnerability of electric vehicles to such acts of vandalism. It also prompts discussions about the societal impact of public figures like Elon Musk and the polarization they can evoke among different groups. Despite the setback caused by the vandalism, Tesla remains committed to advancing electric vehicle technology and sustainability initiatives. The Cybertruck, scheduled for production in the near future, represents a significant step towards Tesla's goal of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. In conclusion, the vandalism of dozens of Tesla Cybertrucks with F***K Elon graffiti serves as a stark reminder of the complex dynamics surrounding Tesla, its leadership, and the societal reactions to its innovations. As investigations continue and discussions unfold, the incident prompts reflection on the intersection of technology, public perception, and social responsibility in the modern automotive landscape.